Naia Love Stories. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends.
Mai was always looking for excitement. There was nothing she craved more than fun. If she wasn't looking for her next adventure, then she'd look up to her mum.
Some would say Maya was beyond her years and that test she was top of the class. Maya liked doing what adults would do, so everyone would call her fast. Her ma was her favorite person, so she'd copy everything that she'd do. But her ma didn't want her to grow too quick, so she'd say sometimes out the blue, am I one of your little friends them? You think say me and you are size? Watch yourself, little girl. Don't make me have to say it to you twice. But Maya never make this stop her. Her ma was a star in her eyes. She'd always sneak and dress up like her ma if the opportunity did arise. So when Ma was in the front room trying to catch a snooze, Ma decided it was the perfect time to try on her mother's shoes. She went into her mother's closet and pulled out her favorite pair, the red and golden stilettos. She decided she'd go wear. She paraded around in the mirror, marching high and pushing up her chest. Who is the cutest girl of them all? And me are the prettiest? The problem was, as Maya walked, she never saw her ma's hair clip. Ah, Maya screamed as she fell. She slipped and almost bust her lip. Her ma shut up as she heard the noise. Was she dreaming or was it for real? She came and saw Maya on the floor wearing stilettos with a broken heel. Maya, what you doing with my shoes? You think say me and you are size? Watch yourself, little girl. Don't make me have to say it to you twice. Yes, Ma, Maya said as she hobbled off. Her ma was right, to Maya's surprise. She picked Ma's shoes off the floor. The shoes were big and not quite her size.
Ma went back to the living room to tidy up Ace's building blocks. So Mai decided it was the perfect time to dive in Ma's jewelry box. She picked out Ma's dangly earrings and tried on her finest pearls. Maya felt like $1 million, like the luckiest girl in the world. She admired herself in the mirror. Another bracelet, oh yes, be my guest. Who is the cutest girl of them all? And me are the prettiest? As she turned around to pose, her ma's pearls caught on the door. No, Maya cried, trying to save the pearls as them a splatter upon the floor. Her ma rushed up because of the noise. She thought Maya had hurt herself. She saw Maya putting the splattered pearls back onto the shelf. Maya, what you doing in my jewelry box? You think say me and you are size? Watch yourself, little girl. Don't make me have to say it to you twice. Yes, Ma, Maya said as she tidied up. Her ma was right, to Maya's surprise. She put the jewelry back. The pearls were big and far from her size. Dad called, so Ma went back downstairs for better service. The phone break up. So Maya decided it was the perfect time to try on Ma's makeup. She started with some blush and lipstick, but only just a dash. Then she pasted on some eyeshadow and put on Ma's false eyelash. She admired herself in the mirror. Mummy's makeup makes me look the best. Who is the cutest girl of them all? And me are the prettiest? Ma's expensive mascara from the shop her mummy did buy. As she plastered it on her eyelashes, she poked herself in the eye. Ow! Maya screamed as the mascara ran and her eyes began to water. Her ma rushed back upstairs to see what they'd do her daughter. Maya, what you doing with my makeup on? You think, say, me and you a size? Watch yourself, little girl. Don't make me have to say it to you twice. What do you mean? Maya was confused. Makeup doesn't come in a size. I just wanted to be pretty like you because you're beautiful in my eyes. Maya's mom smiled as she looked at her. She couldn't be mad when getting compliments. We are not the same age, so can do the same things. When you're older, you can, is what I meant. Maya looked sad as she looked at her mom. Oh, it takes ages. It just seems so far. Everything has its time. No worry yourself. But for now, you're perfect as you are. When you are older, you are go free to do what you want and have your little fun. But if you hurry, you won't enjoy the moment, then you'll miss the days when you were young. So for now, enjoy your age. Do all the things kids your age do. You don't need heels, jewelry, or makeup. You are beautiful as you. Maya never have to change herself. Her mom was right, to Maya's surprise. But she knew one day she'd be her mom's age, still perfect, but mommy's size.
When you're lost for imagination and excitement, you are look. Instead of playing with crumbs if you are twiddle your thumbs, just go and read your book. You've just come in from school now. In the kitchen, your mummy a cook. Take off your shoes, hang your coat where you choose, and go and read your book. Your favorite TV show has finished. Nothing else can keep you on hook. No bother be idle, could even be the Bible. Just go and read your book. You played hide and seek with your friends then. You've hidden every cranny and nook. Come inside to the place you reside and go and read your book. You finished your dance party and had fun. You sang to your sickety sook. Put down the mic, take some respite and go and read your book. You're bored of computer games now, beating all the levels you could have took. Turn off the console, go down a rabbit hole and go and read your book. You bounced out from your ball game with brother. You could have won, but at games in my crook. No worry yourself, just go to the shelf and go and read your book. Rhyme time's done and you're still in the library. Puzzle complete of McFanny's Dog Rook. Too much to explore before you leave the door, just go and read a book. You have to go on a long journey to see your granny in Westmoreland Brook. The roads them are crooked, you'd even want to look at, so go and read your book. You have to spend the summer in country, the only kid in the neighborhood. You fed every goat green grass for them throat now, go and read your book. Built the tallest sand castles and caught all the crab and fish with your hook. Put down your spade, get in this shade and go and read your book. You're out to eat in a place nice and fancy. You finish your last slice of char-grilled snook. Hide under the table if you are able and go and read your book. You know you must do your school homework on Great Explorers and Captain James Cook. If you don't know the answer, now better be a chance to just go and read your book. It's cold outside, so the playground is empty. You slid on slides and crept through each stroke. Swallow your pride, sit on your backside and go and read your book. You found a tricky word in a sentence. You know you don't want to look like a muck. It's really not that scary to get a dictionary and go and read your book. You're getting ready for bedtime. In the dark, you feel kind of shook. Turn on your nightlight. Your thoughts shouldn't fight. Just go and read your book. You see, it really don't matter the occasion. There's always a reason for go look. Whether you're big or small, summer, spring, winter or fall, just go and read your book. When you're lost for imagination and excitement, you are look. Instead of playing with crumbs if you twiddle your thumbs, just go and read your book. It's part of life to have a little chores. Some will like and some will not like to do it. Some people don't like to wash the dishes, and some people don't like to brush them teeth. Some kids run away from bathing, and some kids not like to tie them shoe. Some kids not like to tidy up them room. What don't you like to do? Maya was a clever little girl. People always said that she seemed quite sweet. But Maya would try every trick in the book to get away without brushing her teeth. She loved using her imagination to look for treasures she never thought she'd find. But brushing her teeth would accidentally on purpose slip out of little Maya's mind. It was a sunny midday on Monday, and Maya was digging in the garden. Mud pie was on the menu, and in the sun, it a hardened. Her ma was in the kitchen, seasoning up some meat. When she saw Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she'd brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma turned toward her and said, Yes, Ma, I did it when you went to the shop to buy some hardo bread. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was Maya alive. Ha! She smiled mixing mud water, 'cause Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care to brush her teeth. She wasn't bothered not one little bit. On Tuesday, it was wet and rainy, so Maya decided to stay in. She pulled out her paper, spread it on the floor, and began a pretty painting. Her ma was in the bathroom, cleaning the sink in her ensuite. When she heard Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she'd brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma turned toward her and said, Yes, Ma, I did it when you were downstairs after I made my bed. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was, Maya Maya smiled as she painted, because Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her mouth was musty. She wasn't bothered not one little bit. On Wednesday, the weather was warm. Maya had watermelon in the play pool. Luckily for Maya, it was summer, so she didn't even have to think about school. Her ma was in the living room, dusting the windows, the floor she had swept. When she looked at Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she'd brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma stopped her task to ask. Yes, Ma, I did it when you were asleep so that I could eat my breakfast. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was, Maya a lie. Ha! She smiled with watermelon, because Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her teeth felt cloudy. She wasn't bothered not one little bit. Thursday came and Maya was excited. It was the day that she would always bake. She got some frosting and sprinkles to put on top of her cupcake. Ma was in the front room, pressing pillowcases and the bed sheet. When she looked at Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she'd brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma stopped and called out to her. Yes, Ma, I did before you got up when I came out of the shower. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was, Maya a lie. Ha! Maya smiled, licking frosting, because Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her teeth were sticky. She wasn't bothered not one little bit. Friday was Maya's favorite day of the week. It was pizza and movie night. She rolled out the dough, grated the cheese, marinade she poured in delight. Ma was by the front door, making sure the shoes them looked neat. When she heard Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she'd brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma hollered into the kitchen. Yes, Ma, I did it when you went outside earlier to put out the bin. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was, Maya a lie. Ha! Maya smiled, spreading sauce. because Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her mouth was rusty. She wasn't bothered not one little bit. On Saturday, Maya ate sausage bun while she stayed in her pajamas. She wanted to see how high she could build her giant house of cards. Ma was in the hallway, wiping the skirting boards down with bleach. When she heard Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma called into the front room. Yes, Ma, when you went in the attic to clean the cobwebs with the broom. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was, Maya alive. Ha! Maya smiled, stacking cards, because Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her teeth were all lumpy. She wasn't bothered not one little bit. On Sunday, Maya rushed outside because she heard her friends them calling. She hopped to the playground, jumped in the middle to beat a brown girl in the ring. When she stepped in, her friends stepped back. They were snickering and laughing. Why them a look and hold them nose? Maya was wondering. Ma was in her bedroom. The day of rest in our bed she eat. When she heard Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma called out the window. Yes, Ma, I did it when I woke up when you were talking on the phone. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, she started to chime. But when Ma breathed a look on the kids' them faces, Ma knew she had to make time. Come here, I want to check you. Ma called into the playground. Okay, Ma, I'll be just a minute. Maya's heart just started pounding. When Maya finally came inside, her Ma asked to smell her breath. No, sir, Ma bawled as Maya opened her mouth. Her teeth were yellow. Her mouth smelled like death. Maya, you brush your teeth from morning? Ma asked Maya again. She didn't speak. She was scared she'd get caught, so she simply nodded her head. Let me see, Maya's Ma asked. She got her nail to scrape Maya's teeth. As her finger ran across her gum, a pile of sludge sat underneath. Under her nail, Ma was shocked to see Monday's mud, Tuesday's paint, and then more. Wednesday's rotten watermelon, Thursday's frosted, frowsier than before. On her tongue, her Ma could smell Friday's pizza and rancid chunky cheese. Saturday's sour sausage bun mixed with mutton and elbow grease. What a ting! Maya had lied. You'd even brush your teeth the whole week? Maya looked guilty as she looked at her mom. In fact, she didn't even want to speak. Maya mouth stinks, you can't see the plaque. Your teeth have lumps and your tongue has gone black. Go in the bathroom and brush your teeth till they shine before you go out back. Now Maya knew why them a look upon her. She didn't want smelly breath round her friend. From that day, she always brushed her teeth and never lied about brushing them again. The sun has set and the sky is getting darker. The moon arise behind the clouds, it's a peep. The stars are twinkle, shining bright like a diamond. Now go at your bed and sleep. You had your dinner, so your belly's really full now. Then you said that you feel for something sweet. You had some tea and some sweet Shirley biscuits. Now go at your bed and sleep. You're already bathed, so your skin's nice and fresh now. Your mouth is clean, so you are skin teeth. You've oiled up and your skin's smooth and silky. Now go at your bed and sleep. You watched one last show on the TV. You chose one last book for you to read. You have your favorite toy to cuddle up with. Now go at your bed and sleep. You've told us all about your day's adventures. You found that last missing puzzle piece. You have a drink of water for your bedside. Now go at your bed and sleep. You gave thanks for the day that you had. You prayed for everyone in your family. You asked for forgiveness, joy, and friendship. Now go at your bed and sleep. The sheets are dusted so you can climb in now. There's no duppy on your bed or underneath. The curtains are closed and you have your nightlight. Now go at your bed and sleep. Forehead kisses from your loved ones relax you. One big cuddle is all yours to keep. You're all safe and tucked in your sheets now. Now go at your bed and sleep. Your eyes are water, so you start to rub them. A big out your mouth, it a creep. You feel your eyes, them a get heavy. Now go at your bed and sleep. Your eyes lock as you recount your day now. You're so tired you didn't even count sheep. Now you can rest comfortably alone. Now go at your bed and sleep. You imagine what tomorrow will be like, the challenges and how you'll succeed. It's way past your bedtime. You know you're tired. Now go at your bed and sleep. Your eyes are closed and you see your friends them running around and swinging on trees. The sooner you rest, the sooner you'll be with them. Now go at your bed and sleep. You're cuddled up now, your head's on the pillow. Shoulders relaxed and your eyes them heavy. It feels so good to relax and let go. Now go at your bed and sleep. Your head is nodding. You can't keep your eyes open. You're walking down a winding path on the street. It's dark outside. Your bed is calling. So go at your bed and sleep. It feels sweet to be in your sheets now. A smile shines on your face, though it's weak. Your eyes feel so much better when they're closed. So go at your bed and sleep. There's no other place to be now. In your bed, you start to sink deep. There's no more excitement. There's no more excuses. Now go at your bed and sleep. Thanks for watching Naia Love Stories. For more stories, subscribe to the YouTube channel and head over to Amazon for Naia Lewis storybooks.